Title is Enhancing Generator Loss of Excitation Protection with Offset Distance Relay in the Presence of StateCom. This article provides a comprehensive exploration of both types of Moore relays, elucidating their configurations and drawing comparison. The impact of StateCom on the loss of excitation protection of positive offset Moore relay and negative offset Moore relay is simulated using Simulink or MATLAB. The StateComs are strategically located and sized for maximum efficiency. StateCom is employed to mitigate voltage swings. The power factor and voltage regulation of the electrical system can both benefit from the installation of StateCom like this one. A reactive current is produced by StateCom if the Vt is greater than Vac at the point of connection. When the Vt is less than Vac, StateCom takes on the Q and compensates for it in the power grid. StateCom can be used to reduce flicker, cancel harmonics, and increase transient stability. The path patterns for impedance of a negative offset Moore relay are shown in figure, both with and without the presence of a StateCom. At a t is equal to 10 second, when the generator's P is 0.5 per unit, the complete loss of excitation condition is applied. When no StateCom is present in a system, the impedance path enters Z1 at 11.58 second and at 11.82 second when StateCom is present. This means that there is a lag time of 11.82 minus 11.58, which is equal to 0.24 second. The below figures illustrate the loss of excitation relay in action after 10 seconds of no stimulation. It then analyzes the apparent impedance of the positive offset Moore relay and the negative offset Moore relay accordingly. Despite the additional delay caused by StateCom, the data shows that the impedance attributes are inside the zone. In contrast to Z1 for negative offset Moore relay, which takes longer to trip the signal. Z2 for positive offset Moore relay includes both pathways. So we can conclude the RX and GB techniques both result in a slower transmission of the trip signal. The loss of excitation conditions that happens during condenser operation cannot be detected using either the GB or UI methods. RX with a directed element and the PQ scheme are both reliable and efficient techniques. When StateCom is present, the loss of excitation relay stop working. To reduce the negative impact, the relay setting should be modified so that StateCom rating are included in the total system ratings. By summing the stations active and reactive, one may determine the generator's overall active and reactive. Compared to the negative offset Moore relay scheme, the positive offset Moore relay system provides better protection for loss of excitation according to the computer simulation finding.